we're not really supposed to be here, and hopefully they're not going to kick us out. But we can kind of get arrested for even trying it because there are like animals and stuff in the lake. But hopefully that's going to work. Oh my God! These are huge. Like in perspective to the lake, they're just huge. What are these? Fishes? Say hello to my little friend. All right, we got to do it quick. Insurance, right? I do have insurance, absolutely. On me? No. You got it? Got it. Okay. Launch it? Yeah, that's it. Wait a minute. Okay. It didn't do much. You do better. What? Really? Really? It does kind of really. I think we killed it.